Day 12 of Detox Your Life. So today it's hidden spaces. So sometimes it's not the obvious clutter, but the hidden mess in drawers, cabinets, and storage spaces that weighs us down. Today we're tackling those forgotten corners to refresh your energy and clear your space. We all have those hidden spaces: the junk drawer, the flowing cabinet, or the closet filled with things we've long forgotten. These items may be out of sight, but the energy they hold impacts your mental clarity, emotional well being, and even your physical space. Why decluttering hidden spaces matters, you ask? Well, it causes stagnant energy. So, cluttered spaces trap stagnant energy, creating a sense of heaviness and disorganization in your home and mind. Then there's the emotional weight. Hanging on to unused or forgotten items can represent unresolved emotions or attachments. Letting them go creates emotional freedom. And there's mental clarity. A tidy, organized space reduces decision fatigue and stress, making it easier to focus and feel calm. Then there's practical benefits. So decluttering hidden spaces can reveal items you've forgotten you had, save you money, and create more usable space. So, how do you detox these hidden spaces? Well, pick one space at a time. Focus on a single drawer, cabinet, or storage bin to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Sort items into three categories: keep, donate, and discard. And be honest with yourself. If you haven't used it in the last year or it doesn't bring joy, let it go. Clean it as you go. Once you've emptied out a space, wipe it down and remove dust and stagnant energy. Reorganize with intention. Only put back what you truly need or love and organize it in a way that feels functional and refreshing. And donate what you no longer need. Giving unused items to someone can benefit from them. Not only clears your space, but also uplifts your spirit. The energy behind decluttering is often it holds the energy of the past, whether it's items tied to old emotions, projects you never finished, or things you've outgrown. By refreshing or releasing what no longer serves you, you're creating space for new opportunities, clarity, and positive energy to flow into your life. Today's challenge: I want you to pick one hidden space, a drawer, a cabinet, or a storage bin, and give it a fresh start. Take your time, breathe through the process, and notice how much lighter and clearer you feel when it's done. Detoxing hidden spaces is more than just cleaning. It's about reclaiming your energy and your home. Each space you clear is a step toward feeling lighter, more focused, and more aligned. So, what hidden space will you tackle today?